me ma ore mfi omo mo achi wo why ni me no kasa wo ha ye bon komo kamai yes na brother want to be or she sell
hey
now yes o mine
rob medic
yes o mine Jesus Christ ka bibi o see time a me she sell no ma mesra me o mine me sere anka be a first time I want to make a shake kokom in the name of bail anka me di o mine ye kasai investigation mu friend the first time ye kasai you know it had to do with these cases enti sebi what friend pa baako ama wa shake kokom ad over 1 week krom ha nyina ye over 1 week ama etire ya ko kire dan ameti break on ya go through a whole process udi ni pa fa wo nyina ebi yo ko fi ya we start case no I didn't be say oh bribe start case no man what sad enough for the same thing I can say o shesel o man I am mobile but me that's the way I am if a child and people power now in this in be shesa I'll cry for the person because Martin Luther King can be or see you are not free until your brother is also free. Me can't say why Bonnie am I in that way. But my in yedin court for monies that are worth more than the charging to me. Me Bonnie Panidi project be sagremi worth millions of dollars. Nipa na yedin court one that say one day. Yamfa some onerous bail and tunisu. Timesre won't to me nyami. Me can't say it's above the law. But who ya dia? Ye no sebu tafo kwan kase we die. Boni ni utrim. Timesre. Ye nipa ba ko you call 2-3 courts in a day. Where are we going? Asem benesi. 3 courts or call 1 court judge anymore and we are the man too obvious. Now, musi yenye ba ko aso man yen fa yesuso mu tamochi. That's what you're saying. Now who you be say oh busion funny who you be say their spirit is not happy. Yes sir. Kasa diwechi. Please. Now omani anka o chichi so far so who so be at their score point. Who can meet the press CSOC. Who say Kimpin the babe chi omo who ko chi a wa ko chi a known political figure as a Kimpin. Now the area mo boni say anka o chi no na be detail other Kimpins anka. But those who are now doing the crime say most of them they are your party people. You know, we have a record constituency chairman who have stopped how do you call it official government task forces. We have national security people who went to forestry commission and locked the place and sacked them. And even the Ashanti regional deputy security said they are their boys. He knows them. He's told them to stop misbehaving. Point at me. Exactly. Point at me and he say, Anka yepe Ghana yenti. Anka say obe chimun to me. Nene political faces no asro akoda. Anka ebi akwa shekra medi. But here kasa political faces no amu awudi no. Look, Joseph Yamin Jina openly e can say Galamsey for no yen from sorry. Galamsey for in the Galamsey community. Here kasa Musibu refer to Yeko. Ye who one public statement and a picture I say or the police for crabon come. Intimate when you achieve consensus, it makes the fight easy.
If you achieve
consensus, it makes the fight easy. Yes. The reason why, look, Nami Yejuma was Chebi 2013 as a doctor. He had for free pit muba drowning akomu. 2013 before Akufo-Addo became president. My certified death from drowning. Br0ther was Chebi. So this was something that started before Akufo-Addo came. The fact that we came to meet each other, we didn't complete or we didn't remove the problem. But the fight against Galamsey struggled and the Akufo-Addo said, once you try to fight Galamsey, you know, because a Nipana Sebi, ni diani efini ni numno. Obi position you catch up say, where my old bre, but me ba me why again at all. Anytime a fight becomes sort of political, it becomes difficult to fight it because someone put his trust in another party or person. And look, Omaini the entire Jomama is struggling to fight Galamsey, and he said, those who are doing it got some comfort messages, if not from him, from certain NDC people. And the best way to fight Galamsey is for us to achieve consensus. Well, Nipanin him say, I can't get political protection from any other angle, whether NPP or NDC. Political protection. Because who watch here, once we were fighting Galamsey, you know, the Kimpins who were being affected decided to channel their resources to the next alternative in terms of power or government. So that's why now it's difficult, because some of the faces, they know what they did to support political parties. Now, consensus is important. You can arrest one to me, but if all of us have not become one, the fight is what? Very, very difficult. And let me give you an example. And let's say NDC, NPP, about Wanka, we couldn't have created 6 more regions in Ghana. It will never happen. It took a lot of bi-party talks. So that time our by can say NPP Abaka say all over cases regions. Now Uko from Obia say where they are the part. So we knew the referendum was going to get more than the 75 or whatever percent. In fact, when we wanted to let Ghanaians vote for MCs, if both NPP and NDC had agreed that that thing should go on, and NPP would have had the courage to take it to what referendum. So I will say it on this show. The biggest threat to fighting Galamsey is political power protection. Now, you know what is interesting? All these things we're talking about, oh, let's go after them, let's stop the kingpins, let's stop excavator. Almost every step which involves a public official that will help with regulation or enforcement, the highest person you meet is a political appointee. That's what makes it complex. So, let's say in Minerals Commission, the overall body is a political appointee. So, if an officer down realizes that someone has broken the rules, and it so happens that Nippon are breaking rule, or you're the biggest financier in a particular region, a call can come from somewhere, all is moot.
Buziedi, dankwa bedi, edru dombo so, mwani abrante ya chia kashi ya muntie, ekahu bina nsamanfo bufu yo ye kwedi nkugo sa no. Sei, buzia dankwa, eni domo, hunhum nyina ka bom, omuse ba womia ko yitre nensa. They say wakoyi tere asa empanyinfo asem omukatu ho bia ye nokore ye se de ade won odi enya de kom de no ye namba nu sumfidi a ye namba nu na ehye ade na anuafo miensa yakofa ade we be di edru me ba so omse da bi da mama samanfo awra ho ne samanfo akasa Dr. Mahmoud ba womia yi 3 NPP delegate munyamfo so because samanfo a third party na ti no omuhunhuma sore mumma omuhunhumu nya adwuma omuse mumma dom ase ni su ni eye ba womia because esa amasisi no panimfo na kan omuse de ade da wan fa nto efiri to mesrew Dr. Mahmoud ba womia na edru so wayi 3 pia
Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud ba womia order number 3 I'm no back and God the Son, God the Father and the Holy Spirit.
I saw a video going around suggesting that Honorable Dr. Br0ther has refused to support Chairman Okoe in his bail application. It has never happened. I did not call him because I know that he is the one who stood surety for Chairman Okoe at Yoko, and therefore it wouldn't sound very right for him to do it again here, so I didn't call him. He has been calling me every day, following what is happening, and also offering to lend support where necessary. Indeed, I cannot be ungrateful to him, because at the last time that he offered to stand surety for him, it was also at his cost. The validation and evaluation, the cost was borne by Honorable Dr. Br0ther. The video that I saw had my good brother doing the advocacy, and I want him to confirm that nobody ever approached Honorable Dr. Br0ther, and he indeed did not give any indication that he will support, and that he has been very supportive. In fact, he called me even today to find out what is happening. So my brother, just retract your statement.
Oh yes, I retract it, and it was a journalist who asked me that they have heard something of that sort, not knowing Dr. Br0ther had not said anything like that. So it's something I retract, and it should go to his credit.
Thank you very much, and it is important for us to propose unity at some point in the life of the party getting into 2028. I will not be an advocate of division. I am always inviting people to join hands for the collective responsibility and work of the party. So it hasn't happened. He didn't say that, and whoever may have misquoted anybody is wrong, and that's the author of that video is here in saying that it did not happen. We should be grateful to him, knowing even how much he spent in the evaluation and verification process at the last time. And don't forget, that was 50 million. People who are also bringing support here now for 50 million are struggling and crying. But Dr. Br0ther financed the 50 million bill. We should give credit to him. Thank you.